Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can play any particular video in your file manager using the VLC Media Player. So let's open up any video in our file manager first. So as here you can see, I have this video right here, and if I try to open it, it will automatically open the Windows Media Player. And the Windows Media Player is not usually capable of playing the .mov format until and unless you add an extension to it, which is usually paid. So if you want to open this particular file using the VLC Media Player, then what you need to do is simply right click onto this file, and from here you will have this option of open with. So simply hover up your cursor over to this option and it will show you a list of suitable apps using which this particular file can be easily opened. And here you can see the VLC Media Player option. So simply click onto the VLC Media Player option, and here you can see that the file has been successfully opened in our VLC Media Player. So that's how easy it is to open any particular video file in your VLC Media Player. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful to you, do make sure to give it a like. Tell us in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.